Today, as you celebrate under the theme Deserters at 49, a milestone of dedicated service driven by mission, defined by people, we are reminded that your unit's success depends not only on mission accomplishment, but also on the strength of its members. This team perfectly captures the spirit of the 43rd Infantry Battalion, unit that continuously seeks peace, strives for excellence in every mission, and depends on the dedication of its soldiers, officers, families, and community partners. Your moniker, We Serve, is more than just a name. It is a commitment to protecting communities, maintaining stability, and serving the people of Eastern Visayas with courage, professionalism, and perseverance. Every achievement of this battalion results from a collective effort toward that shared vision. Over the past year, the 43rd Infantry Battalion has shown exceptional dedication and professionalism. The unit earned the Commanding General Philippine Army's Bayanihan Streamer Award for dismantling Front Committee 2 of SRC Emporio TBRPC. The AFP Campaign Streamer Award from the Commander-in-Chief and the Philippine Army Accomplishment Streamer for the surrender of 10 members along with 10 high-powered firearms. The mass surrender and the denunciation of 123 communist terrorist group supporters during the declaration of 14 municipalities as stable internal peace security conditions. These achievements demonstrate that the 43rd Infantry Battalion lives up to its name, striving not only for mission success, but also for the well-being of the people it serves. While these accomplishments showcase your courage, skill, and professionalism, they are not achieved alone. Success on the ground is bolstered by the partners who work alongside you, ensuring that every mission results in lasting peace and stability for our communities. The local government units, non-government organizations, and other uniformed personnel who work with you deserve our recognition. Without their dedication, cooperation, and shared commitment, many achievements of the 43rd Infantry Battalion and the operational success of the 8th Infantry Division would not have been possible. What your battalion enjoys today, its success, stability, and reputation, is the direct result of the contributions and sacrifices of our stakeholders across our area of responsibility. Their support exemplifies the whole of nation approach to peace and development, reflecting the collaboration and shared responsibility that make your battalion truly effective. I join you in expressing our sincere gratitude to all of them for being our faithful partners in our shared mission. Equally vital are your families, spouses, parents, and children. They offer the love, patience, and sacrifices that let you focus on your missions both in the field and at home. Their steady support is the quiet backbone of every success, and we recognize their role in helping the battalion perform at its best. To Lieutenant Colonel Jason Beng, your leadership has guided this battalion with clarity, discipline, and dedication. To every officer and soldier, your professionalism, unity, and courage make this unit proud and effective. Leadership and teamwork at every level remain the foundation of your success. Such strong leadership warrants steadfast organizational support. Rest assured that the division is fully committed to backing this battalion in every way. We will provide the necessary resources, guidance, and support to help you successfully complete its mission. Your dedication and bravery deserve nothing less than our complete backing. and we are dedicated to making sure the 43rd Infantry Battalion can continue safeguarding communities, maintaining peace, and fulfilling the mission of the 8th Infantry Division. As the 43rd Infantry Battalion nears its 50th anniversary, we must maintain this momentum, defend the peace we have established, and stay alert and focused. Officers need to act with integrity. Our non-commissioned officers should continue mentoring, and enlisted personnel must uphold their professionalism, discipline, and courage. Malayo na ang narating ng 43rd IB at marami na kayo nagawa. Subalit malayo pa tayo sa ganap na pagtamo ng ating pangarap ng pangmatagalang kapayapaan at paunlad na pamumuhay para sa mga tao Eastern Visayas. With your dedication and the support of our stakeholders, I am confident that together we can finish the fight against insurgency and achieve the peace our communities rightfully deserve. We must remain vigilant and ensure that the enemy does not regain strength or attempt a resurgence. Each of you plays a vital role in preserving the legacy of the 43rd Infantry Battalion and advancing the mission of the 8th Infantry Division. I am proud to stand with you in this shared endeavor. On behalf of the Stormtroopers, I commend your service and congratulate you once again on your accomplishment. Once again, happy 49th founding anniversary, Research Troopers. Mabuhay ang 43rd Infantry Research Battalion. Mabuhay ang 8th Infantry Stormtroopers Division. At mabuhay po tayong lahat.